Well there folks, good morning, and this is another weather video update by Aaron the Weatherman Thompson here. Well, we are not doing a daily forecast discussion this morning. We are looking at model runs this morning here. And we are looking at the Zero Z European model that came out last night. Now, a lot of you people are going to be like, what in tenacious world are you showing me? Well, I will explain it all for you, but hey, if you like cold air, this is the time of the weather pattern that you are really going to enjoy. So let's just stroll right on through our European model, and then I'll show you some differences here this morning. This is 72 hours out, continuing, and well, you gotta watch out for this line up here, folks. This is the 540 line, aka our so-called rain-snow line when we come into the winter months. That continues to make a dive down at 120 hours out, and then as you can see, that 540 line comes swooping into lower Michigan. I think sometime next week some places in the state are definitely going to see their first frost of the season. And then as you can see, the 540 line retreats back up into northern Canada, but by sometime 192 hours out, it's going to make a retreat back down towards Michigan and the United States. And then here at 240 hours out, you can see that the 540 line has shifted back to the north. Now I'm going to show you some comparison models here. This is the 500 millibar height levels, and here on this side, on the left side of the screen, is the European model here, and on your right side is your 500 millibar at height for the GFS model, Zero Z run. And as you can see, both models are in quite a bit of agreement here, that we have a strong ridge out in the west that is causing for warmer than average temperatures out towards Seattle, Washington, Vancouver, British Columbia, and even getting up into Alaska. Now, if we remember last winter, there was the trough out here and the ridge was in the east. So this is the kind of pattern you want to see if you want to have a good sustainable winter. As you could also see, there is a nice blocking pattern being shown up here on the European model across Greenland. That blocks, you get some cooler weather. Over here on the GFS side, not as strong of a ridge out towards the west, but there is the ridge there into Alaska as well, and then your trough across the eastern United States with your blocking going on in Greenland. So, what does this mean overall for the next 8 to 14 days? Well, this means that we are going to be in cooler weather pattern. Temperatures are going to be below average, and fall is definitely coming in to the eastern United States quite a bit earlier. But what does this also mean for the longer range going into October? Well, I have a feeling it's going to buckle down a little bit, that this cool down is going to retreat a little bit, and October, I feel, is going to be a little bit warmer than average for the first half. But I think the second half of October, we could definitely start seeing some colder weather conditions, and that could get us right into the colder months. It all just depends on the teleconnections, which I'm not even going to describe those to you because I do not want to confuse you folks at all. But anyways, hopefully you guys got to see and learn some stuff here this morning, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. For that, everyone, I am Aaron the Weatherman Thompson. Take care.